Alright, here's the script. Intro music and Rome Tips logo. Hey everyone, and welcome back to RomeTips.com. I'm your host, your name, and today we're tackling a crucial topic for staying secure and private online, especially when you're traveling or using public Wi-Fi. We're going to walk you through step-by-step how to install and configure private internet access, or VPN, on your iPhone. This will help you encrypt your internet traffic, hide your IP address, and bypass geo-restrictions, giving you a safer and more unrestricted browsing experience. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more travel and tech tips. We release new content weekly, so you won't want to miss out. Okay, let's get started. Transition to screen recording of iPhone. First things first, head over to the App Store on your iPhone. Show App Store icon and search bar. In the search bar, type private internet access, or simply VPN. Show search results, highlighting the official PIA app. You should see the official Private Internet Access VPN app listed. Make sure it's the one by Private Internet Access Incorporated. Tap the Get or Install button and wait for the download to complete. Tap Get or Install to download the app. You might need to authenticate with your Apple ID. Show the installation progress. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch it. Show the PIA app opening screen. Now, you'll be presented with a login screen. If you already have a PIA account, enter your username and password. Show the login fields. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. You can do this by visiting the Private Internet Access website. We'll include a link in the description below, and you might even find a special discount code. Mention the link in the description. After logging in. Once you're logged in, the app will ask for permission to add VPN configurations to your iPhone. This is necessary for the VPN to function. Tap Allow. Show the Allow VPN configuration prompt and tap Allow. You may be prompted to enter your iPhone passcode or use Touch ID/Face ID to confirm. Show the authentication process. Now, you'll see the main PIA app screen. To connect to the VPN, simply tap the large power button in the center. Show the PIA app interface and tap the power button. The app will connect to the closest and fastest server automatically. You'll see the button turn green and a VPN icon appear in the status bar at the top of your screen. Show the connection status and VPN icon. To change your VPN server location, tap the location icon on the main screen. Show the server location options. You'll see a list of available server locations from around the world. You can browse the list or use the search bar to find a specific country or city. Scroll through the server locations. Select the server location you want to connect to. The app will disconnect from the current server and connect to the new one. Show the server location change process. In the settings menu, which is usually accessible by tapping the gear icon or a similar button, you can customize various aspects of the VPN. Show the settings menu. For example, you can enable features like the kill switch, which will automatically disconnect you from the internet if the VPN connection drops. This prevents your data from being exposed. Highlight the kill switch option. You can also customize the VPN protocol, encryption settings, and other advanced options. However, for most users, the default settings will work just fine. Briefly mention other settings. To disconnect from the VPN, simply tap the power button again. The button will turn red, and the VPN icon will disappear from the status bar. Show the disconnection process. And that's it. You've successfully installed and configured Private Internet Access VPN on your iPhone. Now you can enjoy a safer and more private browsing experience. Transition back to camera. So there you have it. Hopefully, this tutorial was helpful in getting PIA VPN set up on your iPhone. Remember to connect to a VPN whenever you're using public Wi-Fi or handling sensitive information online. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment down below. We'll do our best to help you out. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to RomeTips.com for more great travel and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Outro music and Rome Tips logo.